Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new and interesting video of resin art about resin art. Today I am making a beautiful coaster with beautiful color combination green and white with golden flecks. Very easy to make. You can also use it for saucer, snack plate, very beautiful art, easy to make with beautiful color combination. Mix the colors before you pour it. I am waiting for dry. Now pour some golden flakes. Here is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.